Here's a moment that quietly costs you money. Someone chats with your bot, gets exactly what they needed, and then just closes the tab. They were curious, they were warm, and nobody ever followed up with them. But what if every one of those chats quietly turned into a personal follow-up email, drafted while you sleep? That's what we're building, a little pipeline that writes follow-up emails to your leads, completely on autopilot. It's chat data doing the writing and a free tool called Make wiring the whole thing together. And it really comes down to two flows, one that collects your conversations and one that drafts the emails. Let's build the collector first. Every time someone chats, chat data can fire off a webhook with the whole conversation. So in Make, you start a scenario with a new message trigger and connect it straight to your chatbot. You chat once to test it, and boom, the messages and the leads details all show up, ready to use. Then you clean that up into neat data and filter out anything that isn't a real lead having a real conversation. Whatever passes gets saved into a Google Sheet and tagged as not yet processed. Now for the fun part, the ghostwriter. You spin up a second chat data agent and train it on everything about your company. Its whole job is simple: read a conversation and write back a warm, ready-to-send email. In its instructions, you set the tone, the points to hit, and how to sign off from your team. Then you build the second flow, the one that actually puts your writer to work. Pop it on a timer, say every 12 hours, so it just hums along in the background. It grabs every conversation that's still waiting and hands each one to your email agent. The agent drafts the email, Make drops it right back into the sheet, and marks that row done. So here's what you actually wake up to: a real draft, already written. A quick summary of the chat, a personal note that speaks to exactly what they asked about, and your signature at the bottom. You skim it, tweak a word if you feel like it, and hit send. And this runs for every single lead, all day and all night, without you lifting a finger. You're still the one in control. Nothing actually goes out until a human says go. So your agent isn't just answering questions anymore, it's turning conversations into real follow-ups. And that's the difference between a bot that just chats and one that helps you close. So go connect chat data to Make and let your leads start following themselves up.